Hi everyone. Today our topic is about spiral model. Spiral model is designed to overcome the drawbacks of waterfall model. So it adds several activities such as risk management, reuse. The extended activities are called cycles or rounds. So spiral model focuses on addressing the risk based on priority. Each round is composed of 4 phases. So there are different phases for that. During the first phase, that is upper left quadrant, that is developers define constraints and identify objectives. And during the second phase, that is upper right quadrant, developers manage risk association with solution defined during the first stage. And during the third phase, that is lower right quadrant, developers realize and validate part of the system associated with the risk. This fourth phase is there, that is lower left quadrant, it is focus on planning. So this is an example of Bohm's spiral model. So it consists of 4 quadrants. So each round is consist of the following activities: determine objectives, specify constraints, generate alternatives, identify risk, resolve risk, develop and verify product plan. The first two activities define the problem and third activities define the solution space. The next two activities identify future problems. The activity develop and verify product is realization of cycle. The activity plan is a management activity to prepare for next cycle. So advantage is project monitoring is easy. Changes can be introduced later in life cycle, suitable for high risk projects. Disadvantage is cost is high, skills required, doesn't work well with the small projects. So this is all about spiral model. I will come with the next video. Till then, bye.